What's up, guys? Welcome back to Horology Slop. It's Danny, and we've got yet another video. This I found for $12 at Walmart. This is the F-91W in white. $12 on clearance at Walmart. Crazy, crazy, I know. I had to pick it up. This is not my first F-91W. I currently don't have one. I used to have one. I actually bought one on Amazon on my old channel. And it was a counterfeit. Yes, people actually counterfeit these $20 watches. So I ended up returning it. But anyway, this is actually a legit one. I got it from Walmart. So, I mean, that's how I know it's not a counterfeit. Plus, I think there's like a certain button you hold down and it says Casio. I haven't done that, but I mean, I got it from Walmart. $12 clearance, a white F-91W. I didn't even know that it came in white until I saw Ben's Watch Club. Ben was wearing a white F-91W in one of his videos. And it was just cool seeing it on clearance at my local Walmart. So it looks very familiar. It kind of looks like the A168, in my opinion, as well as the A158. Very similar in screen and really size. So it's currently on a resin strap. Not a fan of the strap, and we'll take it off here and look at it. The strap's okay. It's just, I have a 7-inch wrist, so the strap barely fits me, or at least the counterfeit one I had barely fit. Who knows? It could have just been the wrong size. So we're gonna take it out of the packaging. I, once again, need scissors. You know what? I do have a tool drawer down here. Yes, I do have scissors. Okay, alright, we're good. We're good. Almost had to go back upstairs and get a pair of scissors, but no, we're good. So let me cut the... There we go. Pull that out, no problem now. And we will get this off the stand. Let me just cut this part off too. Why not? There we go. I am excited to try this out. Let me move the garbage over there. Alright. There's a good chance I will be replacing this strap. Just because, again, the last one barely fit. But again, it could have been the wrong size because it was a counterfeit. Let me, before I put it on, I do want to set the time. Sorry, I can't really see what I'm doing. Really crisp and clear screen. Especially for, in my case, a $12 watch. It is January 6th, 2026. Which is a Tuesday. There we go. Just like that, it is set. Very nice. Okay, gotta put it on real quick. Huh? Yeah, this one fits better. So on the counterfeit one that I got off Amazon, the strap almost didn't fit. I was like on the last hole. This one, I'm like several holes in, no problem. Very nice. So looks good against my tan skin. Wow, can't complain. Very nice. Now, this is the infamous horrible backlight, which you probably can't even see in this light box, but it barely glows. It glows green on the left side. This ain't no, it's also a real watch. Now that I mention it, I didn't even think about the counterfeit's glow. I don't even think I checked it, because the counterfeit, they can't duplicate the horrible glow that the Casio F-91W has, the legit one. So when you get a counterfeit one, I guess a good way to tell is to tell by the backlight. If it like lights up the whole screen, it's not a real F-91W, which is crazy to say, because normally it's, in the world of counterfeiting, normally it's the other way around. Normally you have a worse experience, but in terms of the counterfeit F-91Ws, if you use the backlight on those, and it lights up the whole screen, you can see the whole screen and the time. That's how you know it's not real. It's so funny how that is. But yeah, there you go. Quick video. Very happy. Again, I may replace the strap on the F-91W. If I do, I'll update the video. I'll include it right here at the end or something like that. But yeah, as you can see, they look very similar, like I said before. So very happy. I will link this below, ironically on Amazon. So hopefully you guys get an actual one and not, in my experience in the past, a counterfeit. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned. See you on the next video.